So Markie here, this is part of my top domestic tips series. Oh, you think I'm domestic, but I've got my wife here filming. What do you think? Am I domestic?
Yeah, you have your moments.
I thought you were going to laugh.
No, you can be domestic. You're a good man, actually. You help out a lot, so I appreciate that.
I've done a few of these clever tips, hacks and things like that. So, a dirty grill pan. Dominic de grill pan. Top tip for how to clean it, okay? Don't go buying nothing, fancy products or stuff.
Oh, here we go.
This is what I align my hat with. In this case I'm going to use quite a lot. Normally I just use a little bit, but I'm going to use a lot. I'll explain why. So you crunch it up into a ball, like that. Apply some squash up liquid or something like that. And best thing ever. It's noisy. You just watch the difference on the end piece there, because you can see that noisy. The light's not very good. So. And then it gets flat. Once it gets flat, you need to reconfigure it. Now, another top tip is you should wear gloves, because the grease gets on your hands, which is partly why I've done a great big ball, because it keeps your hands a bit further away. Because I can't find any gloves. I've got great big monstrous hands and I can't find rubber gloves to fit. So look, you see that?
I got you some rubber gloves to fit you, but
you hid them. My wife
didn't hide them.
Hides things.
I do not hide
I
them.
never find it difficult to get that out of your pores once it's there. So, and you keep doing it, but it's really not showing very well how effective it is. But you can kind of see there, can't you? It's kind of becoming more silvery.
Oh.
Yeah, you can see that there. Let's hold that up. Look, you can see that the difference between all the coming back of it. It's not like I clean the grill pans an awful lot once a year, whether they need it or not.
No, that's not true.
So,
it's pretty good, really, Mark.
they're not grill pans, I think. Yeah, they are grill pans.
Yeah, I reckon.
Baking tray, grill pans. So there you go. That's it. Really. I wish I could give you a better effect. Oh, there you go. Look. See that? You can see, is that coming out on the film?
Yeah, it's very nice.
So there you go, top domestic tips. Your domestic goddess, your domestic god. Thank you for watching. Oh, for Retroactive Jealousy followers, got an exciting announcement coming soon. So look out for that. Rangimarie.